Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I request all the guests to kindly settle down. So, I request you all to kindly rise and give a gracious welcome to our district chairman, Dr. Asha Deshpande. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Friends, I request you to kindly settle down, and the EC legacies and opportunity creators. We are more than 1 lakh members in strength. We are a tribe called as Inner Wheel. We are all here today to witness the installation ceremony of our member, Dr. Kamaljeet Kaur, as the 14th President and the team of executive members of Inner Wheel Club of Nigri Tribe. A very apt theme for the year, friends. Step up and lead by example. I request you all once again to maintain silence, put your cell on silent mode please, and enjoy the program. I request our past President, Arati Noem, to kindly escort our lovely district chairman, Dr. Asha Deshpande, to the dais. Thank you, Bibi Arati. Welcome you, ma'am, to the ceremony. I request President Sonali to kindly call the district chairman, Dr. Asha Deshpande. I'm sure the new members would really look at the protocol that we are following, because you are very simple to your members. It's a matter of next 30-40 minutes. So I'm sure you will see the way our organized function is being held today. I would now request President Sonali to please call the meeting to order.
Meeting called to order.
Friends, we start our program with our Inner Wheel. I request Secretary Dr. Kamaljeet Kaur to lead us for the same. I request you all to kindly rise from the chair.
Let us start with inner and prayer. Instill us in, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creed. Endow us with the desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, enduring to make a badge of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, friends. We would begin the ceremony with a
Deep Jyoti Param Jyoti Deep Jyoti Janardana Deepo Hartumi Papam Deep Jyoti Namostute
Dr. Kamalji to please read out the messages and apologies.
Thank you so much, Pooja. We have received apologies from PIIWR Charoji, IIWE and Media Manager Smita Pikleji, District Secretary Aparna Pradhan, District Editor Swati Viramare, District ISO Smita Champote, District Treasurer Nitra Bakkar, PDC Padmaja Iyengar, PDC Meena Mehbubani, PDC Anuradha Chandak, PDC Sailiji, PDC Sharmila Parkar, PDC Renu Gupta, PDC Rachna Malpani, PDC Rohini Tai and ACM Shobna, Dr. Shobna Manegar. We also have an apologies from past District Governor Manju Phadke, past District Governor Shailesh Panekar, District Official Charu, DG Elect Nitin Thamane. And we also have an apology from Innerville Zonal Coordinator Sunandaji.
Thank you, Secretary Kamalji. Well, friends, it's time to see the entire Innerville year 24-25 at a glance. It looks as if we were just about in the last installation ceremony, but the year has already passed and we are here at the next. I would now request President Sonali to present her annual report for the projects and events conducted during the year. So friends, I request all of you all to give a thundering loud applause for our Ashika for the final time of the president in front of us. Sonali, please.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, dear District Chairman Dr. Asha, our District ESO Nanditaji, DVC Deepshikha, PDC Mukti, Innerville guests, my club members, Rotarians, ants and guests. As I stand before you, my heart is filled with immense gratitude and warmth. As Pooja said, it seems like not too long ago when I was accepting the role of the president of this wonderful Innerville Club of Needy Pride, and now the time has come to pass on the baton. I take pride in everything we've achieved together as a dynamic and vibrant club, and would love to share with you our key project highlights and humbly express my gratitude to all who made it possible. We have worked across all the Innerville avenues of service and successfully completed 125 projects. We've deployed a total of 29,41,581 rupees, positively impacting over 15,000 beneficiaries across various avenues. You can watch the glimpses of our projects while I read out a few projects. Up on screen, yes. We began in the Literacy Avenue as usual and traditionally with all our PPs supporting underprivileged students with their education and school fees. Our generous sponsors are past presidents Jayashri Ji, PP Geeta, PP Pranita, PP Shakuntala and PP Aarti. We've donated books to libraries, set up science labs at rural Jilla Parishad School in Sangavde, adult literacy classes in the remote village of Bhima Shankar Hills. We've donated educational toys, green boards to Anganwadi, and art supplies to Kamanya School for children with special needs. We've taken career guidance sessions. We've donated educational toys, and we've recognized 16 outstanding educators across 6 schools with Educationist Award. ZP School Chandanwadi is now a happy school thanks to sponsorship by Pooja Sabri. We are also constructing a vermicompost vocational training center at Gram Prabodhini Rural School thanks to Empro Industries CSR funding. This year, we also was special for us as the 101st year of Innerville, the Shagun year as we fondly call it. The initiatives under Shagun that we undertook, we donated sewing machines, 6 sewing machines, 3 of which were donated by PDC Mukti, 4 bicycles donated by Dr. Swati, a wheelchair, 2 tricycles, prosthetic limbs, and we did cataract surgeries and mass marriage. We participated in mass marriage, completing all the avenues under Shagun. Thanks to PDC Mukti, Dr. Swati, and HV Desai Eye Hospital who helped us with the cataract surgeries. In synergy projects, the Pune Corps installed solar panels in Satisai village, inaugurated by our International Innerville President, Mamta Ji Gupta. We donated 2 water tanks at the blind hostel with IWC Pimpri. we jointly felicitated 8 women achievers on Women's Day with 6 other clubs from Pune. We hosted a webinar on face yoga for District 313 members. This year, we also executed several significant medical projects. Medical checkup, camp for birthdays, blood donation drive at Emperor Industries with Rotary Club of Nigri, eye checkup camp for school students. IPP Dr. Ranjana delivered an awareness session on HPV and cervical cancer, and 13 girl students from rural schools have been successfully vaccinated, courtesy Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital. We organized 2 mega health camps focused on cancer screening and full body checkup with the Cancer Patients Aid Association. One was for the policemen, men and women of PCMC Police Headquarters, inaugurated by DC Dr. Shobna, and past International Inner Wheel President Abhaji Gupta was our guest of honor. The second was for the staff and parents of Jnana Prabodhini Navnagar Vidyalaya. Thanks to PDC Mukti, PP Rekha and PP Pratibha for helping coordinate these projects. A major highlight among our medical initiatives was the donation of surgical and diagnostic equipment to the Family Planning Association of India Clinic in Pune and equipping their new clinic in Yeroda worth rupees 2,11,000. With Rotary Club of Nigri, we conducted the Breastfeeding Awareness Week across 7 hospitals. To PP Jayashri and Anil Kulkarni and PP Savita for your support. Borewell recharge and water tanks for 100 people at Rukedara, Masti in Kalus. Donation of 100 roller drums in Bhimashankar Hill area with Rotary Club of Nigri. Thanks President Suhas Ji for helping us with this project. Donation of a water cooler at the famous Gajanan Maharaj Mandir in Nigri. We've also taken empowering sessions in legal literacy conducted on women's rights by our advocate Pratibha Joshi Dalal, past president, and cyber safety by our ISO advocate Aarti Jadhav. And now let's talk about a truly joyful and memorable project that I'm very proud of, Anand Satra. True to its name, what a joyful celebration of accumulation and women empowerment. Inaugurated by PAP Smitaji Pingre, this vibrant 2-day event on 11th and 12th Jan brought together 50 women entrepreneurs who showcased their handicrafts, homemade treats and unique products. It was a great image building and fundraising initiative made possible by our generous donors, shoppers, and the dedicated efforts of our conveners, PP Pranita, PP Sadhana, and the entire club. A true example of learning, teamwork, and festive spirit. Our members truly embody the spirit of Annapurna, generously donating and distributing food, snacks, ration and essentials at orphanages, women's shelter, tribal communities, old age homes, to newborns and to differently abled children. So these are some pictures. There's also, we donated 2 Atta Chakkis this year at 2 different venues. And one of our favorite public image activity is our Navratri photo shoot, and then we look forward to it appearing in the newspapers. And I'm sure all of you are carrying your Inner Wheel branded umbrellas with pride. In the Environment Avenue, we undertook tree plantation, and school children took the Green Pledge. We've supported recycling of e-waste, monthly plastic collection, flex recycling, and old newspapers were given to Kamayani School for their paper bag workshop. In other impactful projects, we've donated 15 trunks to the Zunza Divyanga Center, installed CCTV cameras at a rural secondary school in Sanise, contributed to Navashitij Center for persons with intellectual disabilities, and bed tables to an old age home. And of course, it's not all work. Our members truly enjoyed themselves with fun and engaging activities post-GBMs, along with wonderful fellowship and birthday celebrations. Members wholeheartedly attended all district events, the zonal picnic to Zapurza. We were also co-hosts of the first district sports meet Spurti, an event thoroughly enjoyed by all who attended. And the triennial this year in Delhi was an unforgettable experience for me. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the club to all who made this possible. A big heartfelt thank you to our District Chairman, Dr. Shobna Palekar. Your guidance, encouragement and support steered our efforts in the right direction. Your belief gave us the confidence to aim higher and achieve more. To all our past presidents, your wisdom and encouragement were our guiding light. Your support and ideas are much appreciated, and your generosity made many projects possible. To every member of our club, your enthusiasm, participation, and willingness to go the extra mile is what makes our club so vibrant, joyful, and impactful. To our donors, we are very thankful for your generosity, which turned our vision into reality and enabled us to reach so many lives. I express my gratitude and appreciation to each and everyone who are part of this journey, even if I may have missed any name. I am deeply grateful to our executive committee that I fondly call my sweetheart Sakis. Dr. Anjana Kadam, our immediate past president, your steady guidance and unwavering support has been a pillar of strength for us. Your leadership continues to inspire us all. Dr. Kamaljeet Kaur Dullat, you performed your secretarial duties timely and to the best of your abilities. Your enthusiasm is admirable. Deepali Jadhav, our treasurer, thank you for handling our finances with such precision and transparency. You were an all-rounder, contributing to many projects, meetings, and phenomenal work done during Anand Jatra. Advocate Aarti Jadhav, thank you for your fantastic work as ISO, and also you are a great help for many of our key projects. Dr. Swati Deshmukh, our editor, your creativity and thoughtful presentation have brought life to our bulletin Abhiman. Your dedication to quality is clearly reflected in your work. Madhuri Nagarkar, our club correspondent, thank you for making our meetings and fellowship interesting. Your dedication makes a real difference. Your birthday and anniversary videos and GBM celebrations are appreciated by all members. Varsha Bhakte, our EC member, I appreciate your constant support, enthusiasm and active participation. Suvarna Jambalkar, I think she's the only absent EC member today, but she was a quiet and powerful, committed person and her effort was felt in every way, especially for the Anand Jatra. Thank you very much. And Mangal Gosavi, another last EC member, your enthusiasm and positive energy are infectious. Your presence uplifts the entire team. Thank you for being such a dependable team member. And our CLC, past President Advocate Pratibha Joshi Dalal, your help with all the IIM projects is greatly appreciated. Your experience and wise counsel continue to guide and support us. Your leadership legacy is deeply valuable. It would be my privilege to felicitate all my EC Sakhis after my speech. I must also mention someone who helped us tremendously. Any project needing electric equipment, be it ceiling or pedestal fans, water pumps for the borewell or lift irrigation, water coolers, CCTVs, Atta Chakki. She jumped right in and ensured we got the best price from the best vendors, transport and project oversight included. She's like an honorary member of my ECs. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, Neha Fadkar. I would also like to thank my husband, Jay. Thank you for being my constant support, my sounding board, and my stress buster. And also for attending our long-distance projects with us. Your patience, understanding, and quiet strength gave me the space and confidence to lead with all my heart. I also promise that I will now give more time back to my day job and home, and will try and make up for all the traveling we missed this year. Another super supporter has been my mother, Ratnamala Patikar, and I thank her for taking care of her home so lovingly while I was busy and always being there with her help. She sponsored 4 projects and also helped whenever we hosted meetings at home. I'm actually getting a sari to borrow from her. Her quiet support made everything possible for me, and I will always be grateful for it. I close this beautiful chapter as president and begin my role as IPP as part of the new executive committee and later as past president. I look forward to continuing my journey of service in new ways with the same passion, diligence, and purpose. This year, I've seen personal growth and I take my lessons learned seriously and for my betterment. To the incoming EC and my successors, I offer my support and best wishes. May you all lead with the same joy, integrity and trust, and take our club to even greater heights. Your sincere involvement, dear friends, made us live up to our theme of Heartbeats of Humanity. Thank you for your trust, your time, and your belief in the inner wheel motto of friendship and service. The success we celebrate today is not just mine, it's ours. I step down, deeply fulfilled, forever grateful, and proud of all that we've achieved together. Thank you.
Of your life, maybe after the educative years, isn't it? And now you are going to carry lovely memories of this year, and of course there's a long way to go. We have the district open for you, so there's definitely a long way to go. Well friends, it's Thanksgiving time now, and as Sonali has already mentioned, she would like to thank her EC from her side. So as I call upon the EC members' names, I request you to kindly come onto the dais and stand from the left towards the right. The first, a pillar of support, IPP Dr. Ranjana. A diligent team member, Secretary Dr. Kamaljeet. I request you all to please stand in a row in the sequence and then we carry out the honors. The ever-smiling and dashing treasurer, Deepali. The dynamic and sharp ISO, Dr. Advocate Aarti. The beautiful and artistic editor, Dr. Swati. Silent and consistent club correspondent, Madhuri. A very creative team member, Varsha. A meticulous EC member, Suvarna. A very participative EC member, Mangal. And our dynamic CLC, PP, Pratibha. So friends, this has been the EC for the last year and have been responsible for the wonderful projects that we have seen. So Sonali would like to thank them on her behalf at hands of our district chairman, Ashit.
एकमेकींच्या हाताला हात लावला.
Thank you very much. Time new president. I would now request President Sonali to kindly introduce our incoming president, Dr. Kamalji.
Thank you, Pooja. Good evening, everyone, once again. I'm here to introduce a woman of warmth and unwavering commitment to social change, Dr. Kamalji Kaur Dullard, known to her friends as Neetu. Born on the auspicious day of Gokulashtami, in her words, her life has been a reflection of divine purpose and service. As Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Nishkam karma hi sachi seva hai. These words echo her life's mission to serve, uplift and empower with sincerity and compassion. She comes from a noble and value-rich Sikh family. Her father, Sardar Jagjit Singh Sohi, and her mother, Sardari Dhanwant Kaur Sohi, raised her with deep-rooted values of seva, discipline and education, virtues that continue to guide her life. Dr. Kamalji completed her education from the prestigious St. Mira's Institute. A gold medalist in economics from Pune University, she holds a MA and ML and also pursued Java programming. She recently received a doctorate in the education field. She is the founder of Wisdom Education Hub, a holistic learning center. In her personal life, she is married to past President Rotarian Harvinder Singh Dullard, a strong pillar of support in all her endeavors. They are proud parents of two accomplished children, son Amandeep Singh Dullard and daughter Jasleen Kaur Dullard. It's lovely to see both of them here today. She has served the Rotary Club of Nigri with dedication in several roles, in reverse order, as First Lady, Service Director, Bulletin Chairman, Attendance Chairman and Environment Chairman. For the Rotary Youth Exchange Program, she has hosted more than 5 foreign students, building global friendships and promoting cultural exchange. She also served as the co-director for Basic Education and Literacy. A fluent speaker of English, Hindi, Punjabi and Marathi, she connects with people across regions, age groups and backgrounds. She believes that she is a visionary educator, a passionate social worker and a heartfelt change maker who continues to inspire and uplift. Please join me in warmly welcoming President of Ginnerville Club of Middle Tribe 2025-26, Dr. Kamalji Kaur Dullard.
Can we have the lights, please? So that was the body of work that Dr. Kamalji has done. Well, going ahead with the program today, friends, it is going to be a historic moment again for our club, as Dr. Kamalji will be installed as the 14th president. So I request District Chairman Asha ji to kindly do the honors. We will see. Yes, I would request you all to please come on the front side of the dais. Indeed, a very overwhelming experience and feelings of our friends and families. Our presence here. So this is the gavel and the gong, the assets of the club which are going to be handed over to the new president. So here you see the incoming president being pinned down, I must say, with a lot of paper and shoulder for the current year, and a lot of responsibilities which come with some authorities too. Will we see the chapter being handed over by President Sonali to incoming So, heartiest congratulations, dear Kamalji. You are backed up by your PP advisory, the EC members, and all the well-wishers who are present here for this function. Congratulations once again. President Dr. Kamalji. Both of you are giving best wishes to each other and promising that we'll work together entirely. Let's hear for the first time from our new leader, President Dr. Kamalji, as she embarks on the journey of bringing about a change at large in the society. President Kamalji, over to you. We would also see the seats, the nameplates being exchanged. Give us a moment. Thank you for being so patient with all of us. Thank you.
Respectful dignitaries, DC, District Chairman Dr. Asha Deshpande ji, District Vice Chairman Deepshika ji, District DESO Lalita ji, our beloved PDC Mukti Panse ji, all the past presidents, my corps friends, secretaries, inner wheel members, friends, my family members, aunts, Rotarians, my E-Club members, and each and everyone present today here, a very good evening. Namaste. Vakramunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha. Nirvighnan Kurvadev Sarva Karyeshu Sadana. Om Ganpate Namaha. आजचा हा दिवस माझ्या आयुष्यातील एक नव्या प्रवासाची सुरुवात आहे. इनर व्हील क्लब ऑफ निगरी प्राईडच्या अध्यक्षपदाची जबाबदारी स्वीकारण्याचा मान मिळवणं हे माझ्यासाठी मोठी संधी आणि सन्मान आहे. With deep and immense gratitude, I accept the privilege of serving as President of Inner Wheel Club of Nigri Pride for the year 25-26. It's truly an honor to be entrusted with the responsibility to serve, uplift, and inspire. I'm filled and renewed with a renewed energy and commitment to lead a vibrant club under the powerful theme, the IIW theme, Step Up and Lead by Example. Friends, this is not just a theme. It is a call of action. It reminds us to rise beyond the comfort zone and demonstrate leadership through empathy, courage, and meaningful service. By walking the path, we are the change makers, we are the path makers, and the torch bearers of compassion and community upliftment. Vision 25-26 is Inner Wheel Care. Our club proudly embraces the transformative vision of care. Care for women and girls, act for the health innovations, reduce, reuse and recycle and save environment, empowerment through education. Each of these focus areas align with our mission to build a more compassionate, inclusive and sustainable society. With guidance and inspiration from our International Inner Wheel President K. Morlin, who inspired us to step up and shine as global ambassador of Inner Wheel. Our Association President Jyoti Manipal, whose vision for care, share and lead by example empowers our collective journey. Our beloved District Chairman Dr. Asha ji, she is a true pillar of strength and a motivation. Her unwavering support and guidance are a source of eternal blessings to us all. We are fortunate to have stalwarts like PIIWR Charuji, PIIWB Roshanji, and IIW Media Manager and Editor Smitaji guide, encourage and appreciate our team work. Our district ESO Naditaji, your support for the membership and club development is remarkable and a big support for us. Our district Vice Chairman Deepshika ji, your loving smile sab bol deta hai na. Our zonal sub-coordinators, Sunanda ji is not here, but she is of a great support. But we have our zonal sub-coordinators, I'm extremely sorry, she is a zonal coordinator, and we have a zonal sub-coordinator, Bhagyashri, and we are truly connected, and thank you so much for your support. We are obliged with an immense support from our VDC Mukti Panse ji, whose wisdom continues to guide us. Thank you. All past presidents of our club, the laying and a strong foundation upon which we are proudly built. My secretary, our club secretary Dipali Zadav, and our golden-hearted EC team for their commitment, collaboration, and tireless efforts. Today, if you see all the preparations and the decorations is all done by our golden-hearted EC team, and thank you so much. Friends, our dedicated club members, caring Rotarians, and supportive friends who are there as a backbone for our club. Friends, मैं पुणे में पढ़ी और बड़ी हुई। मेरे जीवन की शुरुआत संघर्ष से हुई थी। मैंने अपने पिता को बहुत छोटी उम्र में खो दिया था और मेरी माँ ने मुझे बहुत संघर्ष से अपने बच्चों का पालन पोषण और मजबूत बनाने में हर प्रयास किया है। आज मेरे माता पिता इस दुनिया में नहीं है, लेकिन उनके संस्कार, उनका आशीर्वाद हमेशा मेरे साथ है। यही वो शक्ति है जिन्हें मुझे समाज के लिए कुछ करने की प्रेरणा देती है। आज मैं यहाँ बहुत जो भी हूँ आपके सामने मेरे परिवार और मेरे दोस्तों की वजह से। मेरे जीवन में हर मोड़ पे मेरे पति हरविंदर सिंह दुल्लर ने मेरा साथ दिया, मेरे फैसले में विश्वास जताया। मेरा बेटा अमनदीप सिंह और मेरी बेटी जसलीन ने हमेशा मुझे प्रेरित किया और समझा। उनकी खुशी और उनका विश्वास, उनका प्रेम मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी पूंजी है। My dear friends, let us make 2025-26 a year of impact, innovation and inclusion, impactful projects, women empowerment, upliftment of underprivileged, community development, education development, and many more. Let us reach to us and inspire and become a beacon of positive change in our communities. Let us care, share, and step up and lead by example. फ्रेंड्स, जाते जाते कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहती हूँ। उठो जागो, समझ समय यही है। उठो जागो, समय यही है। कुछ कर दिखाने की घड़ी आई है। हौसले में जब आवाज दो, चुपी नहीं, बदलाव को आवाज दो। उदाहरण बनो तुम समाज का, उदाहरण बनो तुम समाज का। नारी हो तुम, अभिमान है आज का। दूसरों को राह दिखलाओ, खुद चलकर दीप जलाओ। स्टेप अप करके तुम चमको, लीड बाय एग्जांपल बनके दमको। तुम बोलो जमाना बदलेगा, तुम बदलो जमाना बदलेगा। तुम उठो तो देश संभलेगा। फ्रेंड्स, रीच एंड इंस्पायर एंड थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
Well, friends, I'm sure all of are inspired and motivated with our new team leader. And I'm sure you're waiting for her team to be installed too. So I would once again request Dr. Kamaljeet, our president, to come ahead and call upon the EC team. So EC team member, a quick guideline for you. As we call upon your name, we would request you to stand off the dais from my left to the right. And at one time, when all of you are present, we will start the installation ceremony. Over to you, President.
Thank you once again, Pooja. member today, whom I'm introducing to you in front of you all. Our immediate past president, Sonali, she will be guiding us with her experience. She is representing the god Kali. She is a transformation and action. I welcome you all, IPP Sonali. Our secretary, Dipali Zadav, she will be ensuring seamless coordination. She is representing goddess Gayatri, goddess of harmony and divine energy, Dipali Zadav. Our next member is going to manage our finance and precision. She represents goddess Lakshmi, goddess of wealth and prosperity, treasurer Advocate R.T. Zadav. Connecting us internationally with grace, representing goddess Durga, strength and power. Please welcome ISO Dr. Swati Deshmukh. Capturing our journey to powerful words, Vakya Devi. She is representing Vakya Devi, a goddess of speech. Please welcome editor Sunitra Raje Mohite. She is strengthening communication with clarity. She is representing goddess Annapurna, goddess of nourishment and service. Please welcome our club correspondent, Mangal Goswami. She is the pillar and support. She is representing the goddess Matangi through her thoughts and expression. Please welcome our EC member Madhuri Nagarkar. She is a protector and supporter, representing goddess Chamunda. Please welcome our EC member Varsha Mohite. She is leading with impactful initiative. She is a representative of goddess Saraswati, a god of wisdom. She is a club project coordinator, past president R.T. Mule. She is mentoring us with wisdom and vision. She is representing goddess Maheshwari, a god of leadership. Past president, a club advisor, past president Jayashree Kulkarni. So friends, she is goddess Brahmacharini, goddess of discipline and guidance, and very strict. She is a club advisory, past president Savita Rajapur. I welcome you all.
I request Honorable District Chairman Asha to please come ahead and do the honors for the EC team. I would request our PP Zalna to please. That's woman power, friends. Slightly intimidating for the right side audience, probably, but then yes, that's the power of women. Working together for a cause. Secretary for the year 25-26. Advocate Arati as the treasurer. That is also Dr. Swati. We have Sunita as the editor for the current year. So expect a lot of creativity in our bulletins this year. This year too, I must say. Mangal, she is a CC, club correspondent. We have our DC members, Madhuri, we have Varsha, the multifaceted PP Arati. We have the advisory past president Jayashree and past president Savita. Surely the pillar of strength. So this is the AC team, friends, for you all. And finally, it will be the so we will now welcome Dr. Ranjana to the galaxy of past presidents, so she can take the first seat from next year.
बहुजन सैनिक महाराष्ट्र लाईव्हला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.